Over the last week we've been making 2 10-metre garlands for the Princess of Wales's Carol concert at Westminster Abbey. If you wanted to recreate this at home, the best thing to do is to start with a really solid base. So you'll need a nice length of jute rope, about 4 centimetres in diameter. And what we do is we start by wrapping it in some nice ivy, and that starts to hide the rope, and it gives you anchoring points for the rest of your foliage as well. A lot of people want to hang their garlands on their mantelpieces, and they will look beautiful but not for a very long time. So garlands work best when they're somewhere quite cool. So a front porch works really well, a cool hallway, or even outside around your front door. So the foliage that we have used for the garland, for the base we have used this lovely Chemise Paris. It makes a really solid base for the garland, and it's a lovely bright green. We also have another Chemise Paris here, which is the Folifera, and it has these really lovely tiny little cones that look like bronze baubles. My favourite foliage on this garland is here. It's the Theopsis, and we've used it upside down. But it has this really lovely stomatal banding at the bottom, which gives it a really nice silver colour. We've also got a lot of Ilex species here. We've gone for a variegated form, which lifts the colour. And then we've also got some berries, just a few to catch your eye. So these are hydrangea heads that we have harvested from Battleston Hill here at Wisley, and these are going to dress the garland when they're in situ at Westminster Abbey. There's lots of really beautiful colours. You can dry these, so if you have hydrangeas at home you can take the heads and dry them, or you can keep them nice and cool, and they actually last a really long time, and they'll just give a nice pop of colour to the garland. They don't travel particularly well, so we'll be adding these when we get to the Abbey.